Hi, Dan Hopper with RE/MAX Alliance and the Stop Foreclosure Institute of Denver and Westminster. Here today just wanting to talk about one of our recent blog posts, and it basically refers to whether or not you've been a victim of this crazy loan mod approval system that the banks have right now and the government's put together. Just a couple things. Just want to elaborate on the fact that doing loan mods today is a very, very difficult effort. And I just know the homeowners trying to work these loan mods, they just go crazy trying to get this process done. Many, many times we have talked to our clients that in the early days of missing 1, 2, 3, 4 payments, they've tried to work a loan mod. They've spent 3, 4 months trying to get a loan mod approved. Sometimes they've been denied once, twice, 3 times along the way. We're just here to kind of tell you that it is very difficult. The banks today, they're overwhelmed. A lot of the banks do not understand the loan modification process themselves. And if you just don't fall within that criteria, it's not going to happen. We're just here to tell you that you have to be careful that once you get into the foreclosure process, because you have missed 5 or 6 payments and the foreclosure starts, folks, and if you've been denied a couple times in the loan mods, it's not probably going to happen. You haven't fell into their criteria. They create deadlines for you. If you don't meet those deadlines, it's out of there. So what you got to think about is there are other options out there. And basically, and let's be very honest, there's truly one more option out there. That option is probably you're going to end up doing a short sale to avoid foreclosure. You know, people are walking away from their homes. I'm here to just kind of beg of you, please don't take that option. There's a lot of good reasons why you should not. You know, some folks have filed bankruptcies, some are intending to file bankruptcies, that's fine. The bottom line is you don't want that foreclosure on your credit. So, can you work them together, loan mods and short sales? Why not try? I'm just telling you that the people working the loan mods is over here. The people working the short sales because of your behind payments in the loss mitigation department, they're over here. 2 different departments. They do not communicate together. So, if you think that you want to run the loan mod, just be careful. We've got one client who's running it all the way up to a week from their foreclosure sale date, hoping they'll get a loan mod approval. I'm just telling you, if you've been working it for 3 months, the last week before the sale date, it's not going to happen. You should have been trying to sell the house on a short sale, because if you got a week, that's not enough time. So I just kind of beg of you, please, pay attention to what's going on, understand what options you have, make the right move. And don't rely on one option. Try to work both of them concurrently, make it happen, and avoid the foreclosure. Thanks. Check in next week for our next weekly blog, and please check out my site, www.denverloanmodhelp.com, right there. Thank you. Have a great weekend.